Hi there, Connective team. It's Peter Beaumont from Wisr here. I'm here with our great BDM team, and we're pleased to spend 10 minutes with you talking about our products and services and what's new at Wisr. But before we get to that, I want to introduce each of our team members. And Nathan, can you get us started, please?
Hey, my name is Nathan Snydro, and I support our BDM team. If you're ever unable to get in touch with your BDM, do not hesitate to give me a call.
Hi guys, I'm Mus. I also support the BDM team. If there's ever a scenario or something about a deal that you need to discuss, please reach out.
Hi, I'm Daniela Mancuso, the National and New South Wales BDM. I love boxing, so you'll be assured that I'm always there to fight for every one of your deals.
Hi, I'm Brad Fletcher, your West Australian BDM. I'm a massive Carlton supporter, so if you want to have a chat about footy or even a work scenario, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Roseanne Tedesco. I'm your Victorian Tasmanian BDM with Wisr. I'm passionate about helping diversify broker businesses and assisting to help them grow in the asset space with your personal loans and car loans.
Hi, I'm Bianca Carana. I'm the New South Wales SA and NT BDM. We're here to help if you have any personal loan, asset scenarios, or even any wine recommendations. Give me a ring.
I'm Nicole Evans. I'm your Queensland BDM. We're here to specialise in fast-paced business, specialising in personal and asset finance, and we are all honoured to be part of the BDM team representing you here at Connective.
Fantastic. Thanks so much, guys, for that. And without any further ado, let's talk about what's new and exciting at Wisr. To start with, some things have changed at Wisr, but one thing that hasn't is that we're still committed to supporting your business growth. And to that end, all of the products that we're developing are designed for you, and they're there to meet your clients' needs. Some of the recent changes, which we'll talk about in more detail, is we've reduced rates on our unsecured personal loans to 6.49%, and we've reduced rates on our secured auto loans down to a low of 4.09%. All very exciting, and love to talk more about that. So let's keep going. Here's our unsecured personal loan rate matrix. What you can see here is for good credits, 835 plus or more, we're offering rates as low as 6.49% and amounts up to 63,000. For the weaker credits, whilst we have higher rates, we also have recently introduced some limits on volume. So for example, if your client's got a 525 comprehensive credit score, the maximum loan amount we'd offer is 20,000. Of course, we're still doing joint loans and all the other great features around our market-leading unsecured personal loans as they were before these rate changes. Let's quickly talk about commissions and fees. The maximum broker fee we allow you to add on for our personal loans is still $990. And we pay a commission of 1 to 1.5% to you as a broker, capped at $350 to $450 a loan. Any questions about fees or commissions, please do touch base with your Wisr BDM. Now, plenty of change here in our secured vehicle loans. Eligible assets remain passenger vehicles and light commercial. Loan amounts up to 63,000. We can include third-party warranties and dealer add-ons. Loan terms go out to 7 years. As I mentioned earlier, interest rates as low as 4.09%. We will allow loans for the refinancing of assets. We do not have balloons at this time, and we go up to LVRs, maximum 150%, and the maximum age of a vehicle at the end of the loan is 15 years. Here's the rate table for those people who are owning property. As you can see, those people who have a credit score of 835 and above for a new car can borrow at a recommended rate of 6.09%. And that can be dialed down for those of you who are using our dial down features all the way to 4.09%. Obviously, that dial down has a reduction in commission on a pro rata basis. Commissions for our auto loans range from 4 to 3% for loans written at the maximum recommended rates. Some of you may get access to our set rate structure where you don't have access to dial down, and in those cases we'll offer you a rate that is 1% below these recommended rates. As mentioned, we also have a rate table for those people who are renting and boarding. You can see here for those people who don't own property, they have the best possible recommended rate of 6.79, which can be dialed down to 4.79. Again, please do touch base with your BDM to learn a little bit more about how these rate tables work and to discuss whether a set rate as opposed to dial down may be best for you. Quickly touch on fees and commission. Like our unsecured personal loan, broker fee maximum 990, commissions up to 4% of the loan proceeds for loans written at the recommended interest rate. And when dial down is allowed, you can reduce interest rates in 25 basis point increments for the proportional reduction in commission. The maximum rate reduction is, of course, 2%. Okay, how do you access our loans? Nothing's really changed. We have a fantastic partner portal that gives you personalized access. The portal is designed to give you all the tools that you need to be confident of approval. That includes calculators, product decks, guides to our credit policy, and indeed, there's a free rate estimate up front of all applications, so you know exactly what to quote your customer before you get to submitting an application. Our credit eligibility, or our client eligibility rather, and our credit parameters have not changed a great deal since we last published this deck. We continue to have perhaps the broadest loan purposes of all of the lenders. We will lend for any worthwhile purpose when it comes to our personal loan. The supporting documents that we require for our auto loans and for our personal loans are listed here. All this information is on the broker portal. So I encourage you to go to our broker portal if you've got an accreditation, and if you don't have an accreditation, obviously contact us and you will find a wealth of information about the documents that we require to get your loan approved quick smart. Thank you, Connective Brokers, for listening, and have a great 2021.